Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. This is your host Ratul. In this video, I'm gonna discuss with you one important NVDA feature that allows you to customize shortcuts according to your needs. Friends, we all know, we all aware about that feature. We have seen this feature or seen this option in our NVDA settings, but maybe we have not used it. So after watching this video, you can also use that. So today I'm gonna discuss about the input gestures options or input gestures settings. So please keep watching this video till the end. Before starting the video, guys, one important announcement from us. We are gonna start the next batch of WordPress with screen readers, where you can learn how to design websites without coding in just 2 months, and we are going to start in February 2025. So guys, if you are interested, don't forget to join this course. For more details, visit our website from the about page of the channel. Okay, so now let me show you how you can do this. And what is this? What is the input gesture? Now, as an NVIDIA user, we know that we have some shortcuts. Let's suppose for the time, if I want to know the time, so what I press? Insert plus F12. Now what I'm thinking is, no, I want some other keys. So technically we called these are the shortcuts, but as the NVIDIA language, it's called gesture. Like talkback gesture we can customize. Here we can also customize the input gesture of NVDA. So let me show you how to do that. To open this dialog box, go to NVDA menu by using Insert N.
NVDA menu.
Then go to Preference menu or Preference submenu by using up arrow, down arrow.
Preferences submenu P.
So expand this submenu using right arrow.
Settings S.
Down arrow until you get input gesture.
Speech dictionaries, punctuations, input gestures N.
Okay, press enter.
Input gestures dialog. Preview. Level 0 AI translator collapse.
So here, when you enter this dialog, you may heard some add-ons mention that you can customize the shortcut from the input gesture. So in this input gestures dialog, you have sections, and this is like a tree view. Tree view means every tree has branches. So main options are the branches. Each branch have the option. See,
AI translator collapse.
AI
1 of
translator.
28
I am
level.
using this AI translator add-on. So this category is created by default. Some categories are there, but when you use some specific add-ons, let's suppose WhatsApp Plus, Unigram add-ons, okay, Tell NVDA add-ons, something others. So if you want to change them, you can definitely change them. Okay, so how to do that? I'm just going to show you. Okay, I'm just going down.
Audio collapse 2 of 28
so
level
all
0.
these things are collapsed. You need to expand and then you can find it. So let's suppose
AI translator audio collapse 2 of 28 level
I'm just
0.
expanding it. I'm not changing
Expanded.
it.
2 items. Level
See.
1 cycles through audio ducking modes which determine when NVDA lowers the volume of other sounds. Collapsed 1 of 2.
Cycles through audio NVDA ducking. The by default is in NVDA plus Shift plus D. But now let's suppose just I'm pressing Insert D. Let's see.
No additional details.
So no additional. So let's suppose you just want Control NVDA D. Okay, if you want, you can change it. Okay. So see.
Cycles through sound. Split modes collapse
sound,
2 of 2 level 1.
Split, which is NVIDIA Alt plus S by default. So if you want, you can change it. Okay.
Level 0 audio manager.
And if you want, you can change them. These shortcuts. Keep the shortcut for different for keyboard layouts, like laptop different, desktop different. Okay.
Cycle level 0 audio expanded 2 of 28. Collapse. Audio Manager collapse
Audio
3
Manager.
of 28
This is
level
the add-on
0.
which I am using
Audio
currently.
Video Converter
Audio,
Braille collapse
is
5 of
another
20. Audio Braille collapse
advanced
5
things.
of 28 level
Okay,
0.
Braille.
Browse mode collapse
Browse
6 of
mode
28
related
level
settings
0
is there.
expanded.
See.
Level 1 toggles between browse mode and focus mode. When in focus mode, keys will pass straight through to the application, allowing you to interact directly with the control. When in browse mode, you can navigate the document with the cursor. Quick navigation
So
keys
you get
collapse
these
1 of
things,
2.
and now
Toggles on and off
toggles
automatic
on and off
movement of the
automatic
system
movement.
focus due to browse mode commands collapse 2 of 2 level 1.
Okay, so you need to expand it again.
Expanded
See, and
1
here
item
see.
level 2 NVDA plus 8 keyboard all layouts 1 of 1.
NVDA plus 8 keyboard all layouts, which means it is same for all layouts. Now if you want to change it to something else, you can easily change it. Okay, so how to change it, I am not going to show you today. If you want, just let us know into the comment section. I'll try to share with you. Okay, I'm just telling you, just what you do is press tab,
Remove button alt
click
plus
on
R.
remove, and it will be removed. So once it will be removed, there will be no input gestures assigned. Then you need to click on add button, and you can perform the gesture and perform the relevant settings like laptop layout or desktop layout, and then click on save button or OK button. So, and then you need to restart your NVDA. Then you can easily customize the shortcuts. Okay. Okay, leave it. I'll show you.
Preview level 1 toggles on and off
So
automatic.
let's suppose I'm just
Collapsed.
going
Level
down.
configure document emulate
Let's
input missile mouse
say,
navigate object speech
what
system
I
carrot
can do.
collapse system system teletext tools touch screen collapse Nicrom plus collapse vision vocalizer expressive WhatsApp plus collapse vocalizer expressive 2 collapse 20 WhatsApp plus Voca Vision collapse 20 Nicrom plus
Vision,
touch screen collapse tools collapse 20 expand level 1 activates the add-on store to browse level 0 tools expand.
Okay, so let's see.
Level 1 activates the add-on store to browse and manage add-on packages for NVDA 1 of 12.
1 of 12.
Activates the NVDA Python
Activates the
console,
NVDA
primarily
Python
useful for
console.
development.
See,
Collapse 2 of
these
12.
is not
Displays the
properly
destination
things.
URL of the link at the position of caret or folk. Activates the add-on store to browse and manage add-on packages.
Okay,
for
so let me just press enter here. Sorry, not enter. Press tab here.
add button alt plus A.
Add. So which means, so whenever you remove any shortcut, that will be blank. Now here I'm just adding the shortcut or gesture.
Add button focused alt plus A.
Okay, press enter here.
Unavailable. Preview level 2 enter input gesture 1 of 1.
It is asking you to enter the input gesture. So for example, shift NVDA plus A. So I'm using it.
Context menu.
So it's context menu. One context menu is opened. Now I'm just going up and down.
NVDA plus shift plus A. Desktop keyboard.
Desktop keyboard.
NVDA plus shift plus A. Keyboard all layouts.
Keyboard all layout.
NVDA plus shift plus A. Desktop keyboard.
Desktop keyboard or keyboard layouts?
NVDA
No, I'm
plus
just using
shift
all
plus A.
keyboard.
Keyboard all layouts.
All layouts. Then I'm pressing tab.
NVDA plus NVDA plus shift plus A. Keyboard all layouts.
Okay, I'm just pressing enter.
Input gestures dialog.
Tab.
Filter by edit alt plus
Tab.
F cancel button.
Tab.
OK button.
Click on OK.
Desktop list. Op Studio 13.
Now let's see whether it is assigned or not. I'm pressing insert shift A.
Add-on store installed.
Wow, my add-on store will really open.
Desktop.
Right. So this is how I can easily customize the shortcut as per my requirement from the input gestures. This is a wonderful settings as per my information, as per my knowledge. Okay, so this is how you can easily customize or modify any shortcuts if that is available in your input gestures window of NVDA. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video a lot. So don't forget to share this video, like this video, and also subscribe to this channel because we regularly upload new videos for you. Don't forget to join us as a member, and WhatsApp and Telegram channel is also there for you, and we are sharing information there. So guys, that's it for the day. Let us know whether this feature you already aware or it's new to you, how this feature actually helps you. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.